All right, since last week, early in the week, we issued first alert weather days for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Colorado low has moved out. It's in our area, and the greatest impacts are going to be happening now through the late part of the day in our northern counties tomorrow. So dangerous travel is going to be likely. Wind and snow, wind is going to pick up. It's going to be out of the east, folks. So if you want to make preps for any wind breaks or things of that nature, for livestock, it's maybe past time for you to do that, but the wind will be easterly. We could see some areas getting some breaks in the heavy snow Wednesday. In fact, some of us may get a break indeed in all the snowfall, but we'll have bands of light snow. Thursday through Saturday, the snow continues, and it's from the same storm system. It's a big one, folks. And as you take a look at our Skycam, check this out. First and foremost, you're looking at the I-94 corridor here in the FM area. Very slow traffic making its way through our area at this time. And now a quick peek at the conditions. Jamestown. Don't travel if you don't have to. Look at this. Visibility is going to be down to ridiculousness. The roads are covered with a coating of ice from last night and early overnight, and now bands of heavy snow, totaling 9 inches in the Oaks area and counting. Here's that heavy band of snow in dark blue that we showed you on the radar, and we'll get back to that in a minute. It's going to travel northward. Our northern counties are going to be now included in the winter storm warning, as you've seen crawling Grand Forks all the way through the Howlock area and Pembina as well. Now, we will have a chance of the I-94 corridor picking up some snow as we go through the overnight hours. So let's say this, anywhere along and north of I-94 is going to get some accumulating snow. We'll still have some pockets where we'll get brief periods of freezing rain mixing in drizzle and sleet. That's going to bite into some of the snowfall totals in parts of the very far southern valley. But you get here on that axis where we have the radar lit up right now from Ada through north of Fargo and down in towards Oaks, that continues. Now, by the time we go through the morning and overnight hours, I should say, the snow continues from the valley all the way up to Canada. And that's how we start our day. The accumulations will be pretty stout by morning, and that snow will exit the southern valley as that drier air punches in and actually last until the afternoon drive up north. So most of the day you will be seeing snow along and north of Highway 2. Then we'll break with passing snow showers here and there. Could be quite heavy still in the Sisseton Hills. Then here comes from Duluth a package of more snow. And it's coming at us from the east, folks, with gusty north winds. We're going to get another shot as we go through Thursday. This won't be as heavy as what we're going to experience overnight tonight, but it will add to the totals that we already have. And look at this. Periods of light snow and wind continue Thursday night into Friday. We're only going to take this out to Thursday because that's really the only skill that we have a couple of days out as far as the models go for predicting the track and intense snow bands. 3 to 6 inches far, far north. Purple colors. 5 to 9 as forecast yesterday, but keep this in mind. The asterisks mean we're going to continue to see snowfall through Saturday. Here, because of the rain and the slushiness, lower snowfall totals for places like Breckenridge, Wahpeton, all the way down to portions of, say, Lake Traverse area. Pockets of 9 to 12 inches, and this is all on top of what you have on the ground already. So if you're traveling, keep your eye on the weather, have your Valley News Live weather app handy, and make sure you have that survival kit in your vehicle. Now looking at the radar, heaviest snow band where you see the whites here, Ada, just north of the FM area. I'm going to take you right in here. And the I-94 corridor out towards Sabin, Barnesville, Georgetown, Harwood. These are some heavy bands of snow with flakes the size of Hutch Johnson's fist. Those will accumulate quite rapidly. Those sneak up into the Ada area. Near Grand Forks, we have a band of more intense snowfall developing there into Crookston as well. And then down to the south near Aberdeen, another band of heavy snow that will be projecting northward overnight. Temperatures are warm enough for some mixed precipitation in Fergus Falls, and we have visibility that's ridiculous and wind speeds gusting to 30 miles per hour. So in open country, visibility is likely close to 0. Tomorrow in Fargo, steady temperatures, low to mid-30s. Best chance of snow will be ending as we go through late morning, early afternoon. The intensity should let up as we go through the day as well. Gusty winds will be a problem across the area, causing blowing and drifting snow even in the break, but maybe a chance for the plows to catch up. First alert weather days through Thursday, but please remember, bitter cold air moves in afterwards. That'll be like a slap in the face with highs well in the single digits to near 0 as we get through the weekend, and sub-zero morning lows. For the latest, get the Valley News Live weather app. Stacy on there. We have videos that are keeping you up to date with radar updates, forecast updates, hour by hour style, snowfall forecasts, and any changes. We'll get that out all night long. Yep.
Perfect. I haven't even thought about next week. Look at that. It's freezing.
Cold. Yeah, you want to find the parka once you're done snow blowing.
All right.
Take it easy shoveling too. It's heavy, wet snow.
Yes, thanks, Hutch. And despite the threat of a triple-demic, many are still avoiding vaccinations. We'll have more on that next on Valley News Live at 5.